Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all. A little later in the day, finally got a chance to get away and fly. And so today I got this guy out here. This is my Eachine 3D X4, and this is an inverted flyer, but I've modded this guy. This thing is a clone of the QX3D from Blade. And it did have the spider-like prop guards sticking out on the ends, but I chopped them off. I actually fly this guy with normal props now because I don't fly it as an inverted flyer. It's a really nice flyer when you fly it right side up only. So I won't be doing any flips in this video. This guy does operate as an inverted flyer still. Just have to switch the props, but as an inverted flyer, this one isn't that good to me. It had older technology, so when you flip this guy upside down, the controls become reversed, so it's a little harder to fly as an inverted flyer. And has a really cool look though. Check it out. I think it did come in another color, but I only had this one color. And of course this is unavailable. Can no longer get this guy in the wild, but let's get it up in the air. Starting to lose the light out here. Does awesome funnels. Nice and quiet. One of my favorites to fly. Oh, come off on me. It does have a mode on it where you can do full flips though, but I haven't taken the time to set that up in the transmitter, so can't really do those. Just do some slow circuits out here. Nothing too crazy. Meow. 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 Bring it back in. I don't know how the LVC is on this guy. I don't remember. Eachine 3D X4. Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching. Meow. 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 Let me bring it in.